Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the Super Slam 3x15x50 side focus EBX reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 800345. It is a 3x15 magnification. Your objective diameter is 50 millimeters. It does have an EBX reticle. Your field of view is 33.9 to 6.8 feet at 100 yards. Your eye relief is 3.98 inches. Your click value is 1/4 inch at 100 yards. It is 13.43 inches in overall length, and it weighs 23.5 ounces. It does come in a matte black finish. It does come with your warranty information card. It also comes with your EBX reticle instruction sheet and your specifications for your EBX reticle. It also has a manufacturer instruction manual and an anti-fog lens cleaning cloth. It is a 1-inch, one-piece construction tube. It is an argon purge tube to eliminate internal fogging. It is waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof. It has fully multi-coated lenses with an extra hard coating for your external lenses. It does have your side focus, and your turrets are a pull-up style turret, and they are finger adjustable. And again, it is 13.43 inches in overall length, and it does weigh 23.5 ounces. Your reticle is the EBX reticle. And again, this has been the unboxing video for the Super Slam 3x15x50 side focus EBX reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 800345.